Hey lovelies, let's make baby skin butter together. Guys, there are enough toxins out there in the world. Kids have no business using chemical based products that are harsh on their skin. This skin butter is safe and effective. So the first thing we'll be needing is a shea butter. You can get that from your local store. And then mango butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, some vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, and lavender for scent. So the first thing to do is to place all your butters in a bowl. You can actually use a glass bowl or you can use a stainless bowl like I'm using here. The point is the butters have to be melted but not on direct heat. It has to be done using what is called a double boiler method, which is basically melting the butters using just the steam from a hot boiling water. So just place your bowl on your hot pot or hot kettle, whichever the case may be, and in no time your oil will be fully melted. So next is to let it cool down for a while before we go ahead to add the other oils. There's no particular measurement for this because quantity might vary. So I'm just going to use the cover of this to measure in the oils I'll be using. So the first oil I added is the coconut oil. I actually added a lot of it because I needed a lot in my butter. So the next oil that went in is my jojoba oil. I added as much as I wanted, and then I also added sweet almond oil. I love this oil so much. I just added a little, and then my vitamin E. Vitamin E is very moisturizing. Then finally my lavender oil. This oil is really good for scent. So the next thing to do is to cover up the bowl, and the reason for this is that it's going to enter the freezer. You wouldn't want your butter to get contaminated. So just cover it up and leave it in your freezer for about an hour. My lovelies, this actually sat in the freezer for more than 1 hour. In fact, it sat in the freezer for like 5 to 6 good hours. And that is how I learned the hard way. Well, you'll be needing a whisker for this. The reason why we are using a whisker is to give it a more fluffy and beautiful texture. So I have to be honest with you guys. I left this butter longer than required. It's supposed to just sit for like an hour and it's done. You know, if you put yours in the freezer that is very cold, please, once it's an hour, just go ahead to weeks. So I actually left it longer than required because I was busy. And so when I came back, my lovelies, it was like Zuma rock. So I actually had to cut it in pieces. That too did not work. So the way I remedied the situation was just to steam it up a little bit, less than 1 minute, and that was my saving grace. The next thing to do is to really whisk this up. You have to be very patient while doing this. You mix it up till it gets to the texture that you like. Whisking the baby butter is also very good because it will help all the ingredients combine together. So guys, if you have watched to this point, I am so happy to have you here. Please take out time to like, drop a comment down below, and of course subscribe to this channel. Well, the next thing I did was that I dropped few drops of black seed oil to this body butter. Black seed oil is a very powerful oil and would really help reduce rashes. But please use with caution. You just need a few drops. You do not need so much if you have to add. Guys, this really looks like ice cream if you ask me. This is soft and so fluffy, and most importantly, healthy and safe for your kids. So parents, what are you waiting for? Try this baby butter for your kids and you will thank me. Believe me. See you guys in my next video. Bye.